then, hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Basingstoke for part 6. Today's date is Monday the 6th of July 2020. The time is 4:15 in the afternoon. This is the South Western Main Line, and up the line is London Waterloo, that way is Festival Place, and down the line is like Portsmouth Harbour and Southampton Central and all of those places. We'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, South Western Railway as you just saw, hopefully cross country, and also hopefully some freight. And I have been to Bramley and Mortimer also today, so that's why I'm a bit dead. I've had a huge day of filming trains. I caught the 1:45 out from Winchfield, and it's now 4:15 in the afternoon, so if you do your maths you'll work out how long I've been here. And let's get on with the show. It's just gone quite cold, so I'm kind of shivering, but I've got you on the gimbal, so hopefully you won't be able to tell that. But I'm cold, and I think there's a train coming, but it's hard to tell because it might be parking up in the sidings. But it was down there. It's there. That looks like a train coming, doesn't it? Yeah, look at that, you can see the light now. Okay, great. Oh, it's cold though, it's really cold. Platform 3 for the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Woking, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages. For Clapham Junction, please travel in the front 9 carriages of the train. I know it says some stations are short platforms, so it says that, but you know. Haha. Just goes to show how long I've been here. I've memorised all the like PA system call out whatsits. How many people are on this? Okay, a few.
Train at platform 3 is the 1617 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Farnborough Main.
Oh no!
And London Waterloo.
Oh, it's Farnborough.
This train has 10 carriages. Please
Oh, I got it wrong. That's a shame, isn't it?
Please mind the gap between
Oh well.
train and...
It didn't stay for very long. Ooh! Oh no, I thought it was going off to... No, it's just going over points. Look, I thought it was going off to like the GWR route. I was like, what the... Since I saw on the map I have that a very, very limited South Western Railway service operates on there, but I guess not. Great. Right then, that's all from me. I've had to run to this train because I'm not used to this service where there are 2 an hour now, so they've double the amount of trains, so I had to rush on here, but all is well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And remember to stay alert. The through service. We have a train that doesn't. Oh, is that the freight? Huh. I was thinking we had a thinking we had a through service, and we don't. What's that? Aggregate? Yeah. Wow, that makes an incredible noise. Gosh, wow.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.